So hello guys, in this video I share zoo gift box timing for the different region of India, Bangladesh, Pakistan and Nigeria. If you want to add your country timing, just comment down below. Now let us move to the amount of feed and the timing you have to claim the zoo gift box. So the first gift box will appear on the map at 10:40 UTC. The reward will be 3580 animal feed and the duration of time will be 10 minutes. For Indian timing it will be 4:10 pm. For Pakistan timing it will be 3:40 pm. For Bangladesh timing it will be 4:40 pm and for Nigeria timing it will be 11:40 am. The second gift box will appear on the map at 18:35 UTC. The reward will be 259 animal feed and duration of time will be 30 minutes. For Indian timing it will be 12:05 pm. For Pakistan timing it will be 11:35 pm. For Bangladesh timing it will be 12:35 pm. For Nigeria timing it will be 7:35 pm. The third gift box will appear on the map at 20:05 UTC. The reward will be 1980 animal feed and duration of time will be 15 minutes. For Indian timing it will be 1:35 am. For Pakistan timing it will be 1:05 am. For Bangladesh timing it will be 2:05 am. And for Nigeria timing it will be 9:05 am. So claim your gift box as soon as possible and join our Telegram channel for the latest update. I hope you like the video. Give us a like. Till then, meet you in a new video. Take care. Bye bye.